Amakhosi defender is linked with Jwaneng Galaxy move. A Kaizer Chiefs young defender is attracting interest from Botswana's Jwaneng Galaxy, according to insiders privy to information. With just a few training sessions with the senior team and impressive games with the DCC side, a Kaizer Chiefs young defender is attracting interest from Botswana's Jwaneng Galaxy, according to Sokala Duma Local. As previously reported by Sokala Duma, left-footed central defender Xolan Khoza is set for promotion to the senior team, while a loan deal would help him to gain experience. Sources have indicated how Jwaneng Galaxy are believed to have entered the race for his signature. The insiders added that if all goes well, the move could happen in January once he signs a senior professional contract with Chiefs, as he can't be loaned out as an amateur to foreign country. They are interested in signing him on loan, but that could only happen in January as he can't move at the moment. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.